Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and I'm going to do the homework that goes with Math 8 area review. Let's do this one. Do each problem in your math notebook. Got it. There's my math notebook. Number each problem. Draw the picture that goes with each problem. Check your answer with the built-in answer key. And if you don't get at least a 75, then you got to redo it. Okay, so this is the work that goes with area review. All right, and this first one, I'm going to draw the shape. There's the shape. Let's see, if this is 16, see, this is 7, so this is 7. And if this entire thing is 20, that means this thing is 4 right here. So I have a rectangle that's 16 by 7. Let's see, do I have a calculator anywhere? Yeah, I do. So 16 by 7. So this is 112. And then this is 4 times 7 divided by 2. 4 times 7 divided by 2 because it's a triangle, so that's 14. And I'll add those numbers together. So I have it as 126. All right, 126, so we'll put that right here. And we can check it, it's an odd, so I can check it down here, 126. But also, Edulastic, I've set it up, you can check your answer there. Check answer, it says I got it right. You only get 20 checks though, so be careful, don't use them all at once. All right, let's do this one. Draw the picture, this is number 2. And it's 12 by 36, but the entire thing is 45, which means just this pointy part right here is 45 minus 36, so it's 9. So this is 9. Okay, so I have a rectangle that's 12 by 36. So this is 432. And I have a triangle that is 9 by 12. So that's 108 divided by 2, which is 54. So the triangle is 54. So 432 plus 54, 432 plus 54 has 486. And I can check it. And I got it right. We're looking good. Okay, let's do this one. This is number 3. And there are a couple of ways to think about this one. Oh, my lights just went off. And they're back on. You can actually think of this as a rectangle. This is 3. So it's a rectangle and it's 8 by 20, right? So that's 160. So this is 160. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut out a little piece right there that's 2 by 2. So we'll cut out a 4. So this is 160 minus 4, which takes us to 156. And how do I know this is a 2 by 2? Well, it tells me that it's 2 here. And the whole thing is 20, but 20 minus 12 minus 6 is 18, so that shows me that's a 2 right there also. All right, so I said 156. Looking good. All right, this is a goofy looking shape. Number 4. So what shapes make this thing up? It's kind of got this rectangle shape. and then another rectangle shape, and then maybe a couple of triangles coming off the side of it like that. All right, so this is 15 by 8, and this whole thing here is 7. So this is 7 plus 4, so this whole thing is 11 by, what's the width of this? Well, the width of this, if this is 6 and this is 6 and the whole thing is 15, 15 minus 6 minus 6, that means this is 3. So this is 3 by 11. Let's see, this little chunk right here, it says the whole thing down here, this is 9. Well, if this is 3, I think this is going to be a 3 and a 3. And we already know the height of this is right there on the drawing at 4. Okay. So what do I have? I have 15 times 8. So this is 120. I have 3 times 11. So that's 33. 120, 33. I have a triangle that's 3 times 4. That's 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this triangle is 6, and that triangle is 6. So 120 plus 6 plus 6 plus 33. So I have it as 165. That was number 4. Let's see if it's right. A circle has a diameter of 12 centimeters. What is the area? Okay, diameter. So this is number 5. Circle has a diameter of 12, which means the radius is 6. So pi r squared. So pi times 36, because that's 6 times 6. So I'm going to use 3.14 times 36. Takes me to 113.04. Do not round, so that will be the answer. And we'll check it with the answer key, 113.04. 113.04, gotcha. That looks good. What is the area of this figure, number 6? Draw a picture. So it looks like it's a rectangle with a triangle on top, isn't it? So a rectangle with a triangle on top. And we know this is 12 by 14, so 12 by 14. And if this is 14 and the entire thing is 20, if this is 20 and this is 14, that means this is 6. And they tell us up here that this is 8. Okay, so 12 times 14. So this is 168. And this is 6 times 8 divided by 2, which is 24. Divided by 2 because it's a triangle. Add them together. 168 plus 24 takes it to 192. So that was number 6. 192, which is B. So I'll take B right there. Okay, these guys kind of, Edulastic is showing things weird, but this is a circle, has a radius of 5. What is the area? So it's 5 times 5 times 3.14. So number 7. Seven, 5 times 5 times 3.14. 78.5. And that was an odd number, so 78.5, that looks good. So this is the guy, and here are the A, B, C, and D's that go with it. What is the area of this figure? That's a weird looking figure. So this is number 8. That is an interesting looking guy. I can do this. Is that? I'm actually going to draw on this and see if this really does go straight across. That's not a very good drawing. Okay, so I'm going to turn it into a rectangle. Oh, look at this. I'm so snazzy. And another rectangle. That looks pretty good. All right. So I have a rectangle. With another rectangle. With a triangle. Okay, this is 22 by 12. This is 6 by 9. They're telling us this is 15, but I don't need that measurement. I need, okay. So right here, they tell me this is 4. So if this is 4 and this is 6, this entire thing is 10. So if this is 10 and this is 22, 10, 22, that means this is 12, right? 12 plus 6 plus 4 is 22. So this is 12 and this is 9. All right, so if a rectangle is 22 by 12, which takes me to 34, that's not right. 22 times 12, 264. I have a rectangle that's 6 by 9, so that's 54. And then I have a triangle that's 12 by 9, which is 54. Add them together. 54 plus 54 plus 264 takes me to 372. 372, which is B. So number 9. Mrs. Allen is buying carpet for a rectangular room that measures 10 feet wide and 21 feet long. How many square feet of carpet will she need? This is number 9. So that's just a rectangle that is 10 by 21. That's going to be 210. That was number 9, 210. Number 10, Dory's garden has a small triangular sign that states the name of each vegetable she grows. The base is 4 and the area is 6. What is the height? The base is 4. Okay, we can work this out. It's kind of funny. I make these and then I forget that I made them, how they work. So I have a triangle. And they're telling me the base of this is 4 inches. And the height of it, I don't know. But I know that 1/2 base times height is going to be the area of 6. So 1/2, 4. So 2 times some number is 6, so the height is 3, right? 4 times 3 divided by 2 is 6. That works. So we're calling it 3, a height of 3. And then, what is the area of this? So 21 by 12 divided by 2. 21 times 12 divided by 2. 126. Cool. Let's check all our answers up here with the check-in feature. Green, 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 more green, green. I got everything right. Submit that. Submit it. It's weird. It doesn't tell you your score until you get out of this. So I have to come over here. I got 100% on it, right? Area review 100%. That looks good. I'm done with that one. Okay, hey, that's it. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to make another video in just a moment.